Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 10.4 sixth question. So the question is: a circular park of radius 20 meters is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed, David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Okay, so there is a circular radius of 20 meters. So let us suppose this is a circular which is of 20 meters, 20. So let us suppose this here is one boy which is Ankur, it I am denoting by A, and here is Syed, here is David. So all are 20 here. So 20 meters as radius. Let us denote this as O. Okay, let me join this. Why? Because they are talking to one another with a toy phone. Okay. Since they are talking to one another, and moreover we can join this even. So let us take the word solution. Given 20 radius of circle, so 20 is the radius of the circle. So triangle ASD is formed, and moreover triangle ASD is equilateral triangle. Why we are considering it as equilateral triangle? Because he is saying that each is having the distance from one Syed to David, or David to Ankur, Ankur to Syed, the distance is same. So that's why we can consider it as equilateral triangle. Now if I am assuming total as 2x, this will become x, this will become x, 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 and here also x, x. So let me give some name here, P, Q, R. Now since it is an equilateral triangle, so AP is median and altitude. So in equilateral triangle, median and altitude both are same. So I can write here it as 90 degrees. Okay. Now if you take this small triangle, this is O. Okay. In triangle OPD, if you take triangle OPD, so OD square is equals to OP square plus PD square. So OD square is 20 square is equals to OP square, as it is PD square is x square. So it is 400 minus x square is equals to OP square. So root of 400 minus x square is equals to OP. Here AP is median. So median divides in 2:1 ratio. So median will divide into 2:1 ratio. So OP is 400 minus x square. It means that AO will be 2 times. It will be twice. 2 into root of 400 minus x square. Next, if we take, so EP is nothing but AO plus OP, that is 2 root 400 minus x square plus root of 400 minus x square, that is 3 root of 400 minus x square. So this is AP. Now in triangle APD, ED square is equals to EP square plus PD square according to Pythagoras theorem. So ED is 2x whole square, EP 3 into root of 400 minus x square whole square plus x square. So it will be 4x square is equals to 9 into 400 minus x square plus x square. So 3x square is equals to 3600 minus 9x square. So 12x square is equals to 3600, x square is equals to 300. So x is equals to 10 root 3. So x we got it as 10 root 3. So we want any of the length. So I will consider SD Syed. So SD is equals to x plus x, which is 10 root 3 plus 10 root 3, that is 20 root 3. So the length of the string is 20 root 3 meters. Next theorem statement. Theorem: the angle subtended by an arc at center is twice the angle subtended by remaining part of circle. Remaining part on the circle. So it is a theorem statement. It means that, let us suppose this is a circle with center O. So let us consider this. This is A, B, C. So let us join this. Up to X. Let us start the proof. So O is the center of the circle. Center of circle. EX is extended line. So we have joined BX and CX. Now angle XOC is equals to angle OAC plus angle OCA. So this is exterior angle property. So according to this is the exterior angle is equals to sum of two opposite interior angles. So exterior angle property is that any exterior angle is equals to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, but we know that OA is equals to OC. Why? Because they are the radius. So in triangle AOC, if OA is equals to OC, according to isosceles triangle property, we can say that angle OAC is equals to angle OCA. Angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. We can mark this as second equation, we can mark this as first equation. Now, substituting in first equation, we are going to get angle XOC is equals to angle OAC plus angle OAC. Why? Because instead of OCA we can get OAC. They are equal. So angle XOC is equals to 2 times of angle OAC. We can mark this as third equation. Similarly, angle XOB is equals to 2 times of angle OAB. So adding 3 and 4. So angle XOC plus angle XOB is equals to 2 times of angle OAC plus 2 times of angle OAB. So if I combine angle XOC and angle XOB, I am going to get angle BOC is equals to 2 times of, I will take 2 common. So angle OAC plus angle OAB. So angle BOC is equals to 2 times of, if I combine this, I will get angle BAC. So this is the required proof. Angle subtended at the center is equals to 2 times of angle subtended by any point on the circle.